So you want to become a life coach and you want to start a life coaching business and start making money, but you are only on a shoestring budget. You don't have a lot of money to get started, and you probably don't have a lot of people that know you're a life coach yet. How do you get started? How do you start making money? And how do you start signing up more clients quickly? Don't you worry, I got you covered in this video.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses, where they go out there and generate $10,000 or more for their life coach and healing businesses in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how do you go out there and start a life coaching business? How do you go out there and start becoming a life coach, start becoming a successful life coach, and how do you go out there and become a life coach who has clients, paying clients for them and their business, so that they can actually be able to go out there and make money as a life coach, even if they're just on a shoestring budget. That means they don't have a lot of money, they don't have a lot of a big list or people that know them as a life coach yet. They're just going out there with the skills that they have and with very, very little resources, and they're gonna go out there and make a big splash and start signing up new clients every single week. We're specifically gonna be talking about how you can do that in this video. We're gonna be talking about why you're gonna be getting paid. We're gonna be talking about specifically the #1 skill that you need to develop to sign up new clients every day. And we're going to be specifically talking about, a specific type of thing that you can do here in the next 7 days. We call this the cash campaign. We're going to be talking about how you can deploy this in the next 7 days, run a profitable presentation, and start making money really, really quickly, even if you're on a shoestring budget and even if you don't have any money to spend on advertising your business yet at all. I'm super excited for you to take action on the things in this video, because if you take action on the items that we talk about in this video, you, my friend, are going to start making money as a life coach very, very quickly. And not only that, you're going to start making money consistently every single week, with new clients signing up with you and your life coaching business. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why do life coaches get paid to begin with? And we got to remember, as a life coach, it's a very, very broad spectrum. Yes, we are going out there to help people with their lives, but we want to make sure that we niche it down, and we are specifically talking to a smaller group of people. A big, big ocean, of all these people, is great, but we're not going to be able to, step into that big ocean and have anybody really hear us, because we're not really going to be like that specialist with that one specific solution that we have. That's a big, big problem that a lot of life coaches have, is they go out there and they're like, well, I can just do more stuff. I can just get more certifications. And if I do that, more people are going to sign up with me. That is not true. We need to have one solution that solves one problem that we are going to be the expert in, and we need to make sure that we are the person that people come to when they need help with getting that problem solved in their life. Now, there's 3 specific markets that you are going to be working out of as a life coach. We want to make sure that you pick your perfect profitable niche inside one of those markets, so we can make sure that we're talking to only people who have that specific problem in those markets. The 3 core markets we're going to work out of is going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And we want to make sure that the niche that we choose, which is going to be a group of people who have a problem inside one of those core markets, we need to make sure that the niche that we choose is going to be a niche of a lot of people that have that problem, a lot of people that have an emotional charge around that problem, and ultimately a lot of people who either want to gain the pleasure of solving that problem or run away from the pain of having that problem in their face every day. And they are wanting to find help, find a coach, find a guide that is possibly you, that can help them alleviate the problems they have, get to the target that they want to get to, and ultimately pay you money to help them not only get to that target, but get to that target a lot faster. All right, so we talked about exactly why life coaches are going to get paid. Now let's talk about the #1 skill that all life coaches need to have when it comes up to signing new clients consistently every single week. And that #1 skill that you need to kind of build up is going to be demonstration. Going out every single day and demonstrating exactly how you can help people by actually helping people. Here at Life Coach Launch, and at our company where we help, hundreds of life coaches in regards to using this simple 3-step selling system, where they can take profitable presentations and go out there with profitable presentations and sign up new life coaching clients every single week, is ultimately one of the first things we tell people is that they need to go out and demonstrate consistently how they can help people by actually helping people. Not tell them, not have somebody else tell them, but actually go out there and demonstrate how they can do it and actually help people. By doing that, you're going to be helping people around you win more with the problems that they have, and ultimately you're going to be looked at as that person, that can help solve those problems that you can help solve as a life coach. So ultimately, we got to remember that we all win when we all win. And when we go out there and we help somebody else win today, it doesn't take very long, sometimes just 30 days. And after that 30 days, we're going to look around us, have 30 people that are winning around us because we helped them. And it's going to be such a huge sea of abundance that's going to to be impossible for us not to win as well. So we want to make sure that every single day we're not out there telling people, we're not out there having somebody else tell people, but we're out there demonstrating as often as we can how we can help people by actually helping people, and then consistently putting on what we classify as profitable presentations, where we are demonstrating how we can help them, helping them, get that help, and then ultimately asking if they want to continue getting their help with us right at the end of that profitable presentation so they can sign up with us at the offer that we have for them. Before I go into this next campaign, which we classify as our cash campaign that you can run with your profitable presentations to go out there and sign up new clients, right? Very, very quickly, even here in the next 7 days flat, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses here in the next 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so at the end of last segment, we kind of started dabbing on what we call profitable presentations, and just sort of to go over it as an overview so you know what we're chatting about here. Ultimately, what we're looking at doing is we're looking at going out there and with an online event. You can do it as an online workshop, online masterclass, online summit, online challenge, or even a live event, and you're looking to bring multiple people together inside the niche, right, that you help and serve every day, and you're looking to bring those people together and help them with a common problem that they have. So what we're wanting to do is that we're going to help them with the common problem that they have, and then we're going to basically offer them at the end of that presentation if they like to continue getting our help more. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we let everybody that we know, this isn't going to cost us any money, but we want to look at how can we communicate with people. Is it through social media? Is it through an email? Is it through a text message or a DM? We want to let every single person that we know right here in the next couple of days know not only what it is that we're doing, aka we're being a life coach, but that we're about to go out and we're about to do a free event where we are going to be talking about what it is that we do and how it is that we can help people. And we're actually going to be helping people at that event with a problem that they have, and then asking them at the end of that event if they would like to continue to get help with that problem. So what we want to make sure that we do is we're letting every single person know through every single distribution channel of communication. Again, this could be email, text message, DM. This can be getting on LinkedIn, getting on Instagram, getting on Facebook, getting on YouTube, getting on TikTok, whatever it might be. But you want to make sure that every single person that you're connected to in some way knows that you are about to go out there and you are about to do this presentation. And when you do that, yeah, you might only get a few people that come. That's normal. But the truth of the matter is you want to take all the money off the table of people who could use your help, who need your help right now. And the truth of the matter is a lot of people that are close to you are going to have a good opportunity of probably wanting to get your help with what it is that you're helping people as a brand new life coach. All right. So you got this and you're like, okay, I can go invite everybody. You're starting to get all your stuff to invite everybody. Who can I invite? Now let's talk about exactly how do we sign up new clients from our profitable presentation? We're going to get people that come, right? We're going to show up to this presentation. We're going to, show up with energy. We're going to be excited. We're actually going to help people at the presentation, right? We're going to give it our 100%. But then how are we actually going to sign up people? Well, there's 3 ways that we can sign up people. The first way is through what we classify as our sales stack. So at the end of our profitable presentation, we'll transition into what we classify as a sales stack to how we present our offer at the end of that presentation so that people can have an opportunity to buy the offer that we present them. Ultimately, that's going to be a very, very big way that a lot of people purchase, what it is that you have to offer. The next way is that not everybody's going to purchase what you have to offer. So what we want to do is we want to look back and see who came to the presentation and didn't purchase and who registered for the presentation and didn't come. And we want to make sure we're reaching out to those people and we are getting them to come to the presentation, or we are getting them to get on a strategy call so that we can not walk with them one-on-one what we went over on the presentation, but also so that we, can make them a one-on-one offer to take action now on getting our help. A lot of times, some people just don't like making decisions in front of other people. So instead, if you reach out and you look to help them very, very quickly with customizing what you went over on that profitable presentation, I'm talking a 15 or 20 minute call here, you then are going to be able to get them on a call where you can ask them specifically if they would like to continue getting your help. And a lot of times they'll say yes. But sometimes they'll say no. And if they still say no to that, then what we do is we'll then just simply invite them to the next profitable presentation that's on the calendar. We'll start filling that profitable presentation up. And then ultimately at that next profitable presentation, we should have more people that come. And guess what? Because we have more people that come, more eyeballs are on us and we have more opportunities to help more people. All right, so the big key to this that a lot of times people tend to forget. They'll go out and they'll run this really awesome profitable presentation. They'll sign up a lot of people really, really quickly, but then they'll stop. And the truth of the matter is when it comes to signing up people at mass, when it comes to growing your life coaching business, when it comes to never falling into that freelancer trap of signing up a bunch of clients and then not having a bunch of people that need your help over here, and then you have to hustle again, and then all of a sudden, oh no, you don't sign up a bunch of people, you run out of money or something happens. What we need to make sure that we're doing is that we're consistently finding people who need our help. And the way we do this is by running consistent profitable presentations. We talked about it at the end of the last segment there, but ultimately, like by running consistent profitable presentations, we can then invite the people that maybe didn't take action yet, but maybe came to or showed interest in coming to a presentation in the past, invite them on top of letting more people know and more people that we've met along the way know what it is that we're doing. And by running consistent profitable presentations, inviting these people to these profitable presentations, we are going to be getting more and more people to come to them, more and more eyeballs on us, and more opportunities. And those opportunities are going to turn into more clients, more sales, and ultimately more money for you and your life coaching business, which is going to equal more impact overall that you are going to have as a life coach. Are you a life coach who's wanting to go out there and get new clients quickly? Well, I just got done with this brand new guide called the 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is a 22-page guide, which is going to go over with you the three-step selling system that we talked about and we help our clients with here at Life Coach Launch, so that you can use profitable presentations to go out there and sign up new clients here in the next 30 days flat. Just go down there in the description and grab your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by going down there right now and claiming your free 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.